Because he was so nicely.
Oh no! That sounds like a fire truck snoring. The siren was asleep.
Yes, it's still sleeping. They help someone the fire truck snoring.
Come on, Justin.
Ah, then I was very mad.
Oh no! That sounds like a fire truck snoring. The siren was asleep. Oh no! That sounds like a fire truck snoring. The siren was asleep. Oh no! That sounds like a fire truck snoring.
Want to scratch?
The siren was asleep. What is it now?
Hey, I'm out of here, dude. I'm not gonna be around for this.
Oh, without a clue!
Are you covered in slime? I will be when I get done using this computer.
That was a strange hum. It's the pink flamingo. You're right, Tuck. Let's land, Wonder Pets. Bye, hummingbird.
Doofy the dragon will be canceled until further notice.